12 amazing hacks using rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is a staple in every household. It's generally used to clean and disinfect things, like minor scrapes, insect bites, or piercings. But did you know that there are dozens of other ways to use this humble substance? Well, stick around. In this video, we show you some useful things you can do with rubbing alcohol that you've probably never thought of. But first, a few things to note. Rubbing alcohol is a mixture of isopropyl alcohol and water, and it comes in different strengths, ranging from 50 to 90% isopropyl alcohol. And while lower concentrations aren't as effective at destroying germs, high concentrations can be harsher when applied to the skin. So for most household uses, the 70% version is usually a good choice. Without further ado, here are 12 ways you can put rubbing alcohol to good use. Number 1. Make a DIY disinfectant spray. Rubbing alcohol is a versatile cleaner that can kill germs and make surfaces squeaky clean. It also evaporates quickly, so it can shine up chrome fixtures or stainless steel appliances without leaving water spots. To make your disinfectant spray, mix 1 cup of water with 1 cup of alcohol in a spray bottle and add 12 drops of tea tree or lavender essential oil for an antibacterial mixture that smells great too. Just be cautious when it comes to porous surfaces, and don't use rubbing alcohol on wood, leather, or granite. Number 2. Remove stickers. Next time you have a sticker on a new product that's hard to remove, try this hack. Rubbing alcohol is a fantastic tool for removing stickers because it doesn't damage the surface and will dissolve the adhesive in just a few minutes. It's also great for getting rid of bumper stickers on your car. Just saturate the whole sticker with rubbing alcohol using a cotton ball and let it sit for about 10 minutes before you attempt to gently peel it off. Number 3. Clean electronics. If you have electronics that are in desperate need of a good cleaning, use some rubbing alcohol to give them the much-needed refresh they deserve. It's especially great for cleaning surfaces of smartphones and tablets. Since alcohol evaporates quickly, there's less chance that moisture will affect these devices. Simply take a microfiber cloth, pour a little bit of rubbing alcohol onto it, and buff away any fingerprints or smudges. Number 4. Use as a deodorant. You can also use rubbing alcohol as a substitute for deodorant. Simply add a few drops of essential oil, like lavender or tea tree, to a small spray bottle of alcohol, and you're good to go. Not only will this keep your armpits from smelling like BO, but it moisturizes them too. Just don't apply it immediately after shaving, as tempting as it may be, because that could cause some irritation if you have sensitive skin. Number 5. Save broken eyeshadow. If you have broken powder eyeshadow, don't chuck it out. Some rubbing alcohol can fix it in a pinch. Dip a cotton swab in rubbing alcohol and apply it to your broken eyeshadow. Gently press down on each individual piece until they are all back in place. Let it sit out for a few hours until it dries completely. Once dry, you'll be able to use your eyeshadow as if nothing ever happened. Number 6. Erase permanent marker. If you accidentally used a permanent marker on your whiteboard, or if you've got a permanent marker stain on your wall or furniture that seems impossible to remove, rubbing alcohol is your best bet. Apply a bit of it directly to the stain and let it sit for a minute or so before wiping it off with a clean cloth or sponge. Rubbing alcohol rehydrates the ink from a permanent marker, making it easy to wipe away. Number 7. Remove hairspray residue. Hairspray and other aerosol hair products are the worst for leaving a sticky residue around your bathroom. To get rid of this problem, grab a damp paper towel, pour some rubbing alcohol onto it, and wipe down all surfaces where there might be leftover residue from aerosol products. It won't take much effort at all. The rubbing alcohol will dissolve even the most stubborn spots in no time. Number 8. Make a DIY eyeglass cleaner. If you wear glasses, you know how annoying it can be when they get smudged with fingerprints and dirt. Fortunately, rubbing alcohol can help. Fill a small spray bottle with rubbing alcohol, about 3/4 full, and fill the rest with water. Add a teeny tiny drop of dish soap or Castile soap, and gently tilt the bottle back and forth in your hand to mix the ingredients without creating bubbles. Spray a small amount of this solution onto the lenses, and wipe them clean with a microfiber cloth. Number 9. Make a reed diffuser. Diffusers are great for creating a pleasant ambiance in your home, but they can be expensive. If you want to save money on these products, consider making them yourself. Grab a small glass bottle, pour in a 1/4 cup of your favorite carrier oil. Almond and safflower are good choices. And add 12 drops of your favorite essential oil, along with a splash of rubbing alcohol. Finally, place 6 to 8 pieces of reed ticks or wooden skewers in the bottle. And you're done. Number 10. Disinfect household and beauty tools. Rubbing alcohol has strong antibacterial properties, making it a good choice for cleaning household items like thermometers, tweezers, scissors, and manicure tools. If you're using any of these products on someone else, it's especially important to keep them clean so you don't pass along harmful germs or diseases. To disinfect these items, simply pour some rubbing alcohol on a clean cloth or paper towel and give them a good wipe. Number 11. Make a DIY hand sanitizer. You see hand sanitizers everywhere, but with the number of chemicals in store-bought brands, it can be hard to justify using them. Rubbing alcohol is an easy alternative because it kills bacteria without all the added junk. To make your own DIY hand sanitizer, combine 1 part rubbing alcohol with 2 parts pure aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of nourishing oil, like sweet almond or vitamin E oil, in a small travel-size bottle. You can also add a few drops of essential oils for scent. Rosemary or lavender are good options. Number 12. Defrost your windshield. If you find yourself stuck in a snowstorm with a frozen windshield, spray a mixture of 1 part water and 2 parts rubbing alcohol onto the glass, and watch the ice quickly melt away. Rubbing alcohol freezes at a much lower temperature than water does, so it'll melt all that ice without the risk of refreezing before you can get moving again. We hope you enjoyed learning about these tips and tricks using rubbing alcohol. That said, it's important to keep in mind that while incredibly handy, alcohol is a chemical with potential dangers. It does not belong in your mouth, eyes, or lungs. It's also flammable, so avoid using it near an open flame. And it should never be mixed with other chemicals, such as bleach, ammonia, and other caustic substances. Thanks for watching! If you thought this video offered some useful information, give it a like and share it with your friends. It allows us to create more great content. If you want to see more videos from us, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.